Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today we are going to be tying the Ankara turban mixed with raw silk, so let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're joining us here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and also comment. So for today's turban, we are going to be doing a 70-30 ratio turban. This turban, this raw silk I'm using is called the Dupion raw silk, and you can get it from the Kaduna raw silk plug on Instagram. I'm going to be linking down her handle down on the description box, and yeah, let's get started. So starting off, I pleated. The ratio for this turban is a 70-30 turban. I already pleated the 70 parts. That's taking the raw silk from the back of her head. I placed the 70 part first, then this is the 30 part of the turban. I'm just pleating that on top of the 70 part, and it's also going to be a V-shaped frontal turban. So I pleated the 70 parts, one covering the ears and the other side not covering the other ear. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yeah, I already pleated the shorter hand, so I'm going to be pinning that down with an office pin just to secure the turban so it doesn't slip off whenever you're tying, because some of this turban, the materials can be tricky, some are slippery. But for this Dupion raw silk, this is called the Dupion raw silk, it's very easy to tie because it's more of like a cotton material. So I already pleated the V-shaped for the V frontal part of the turban. I'm going to be using the Ankara now. I folded my Ankara in a triangular shape, so, and it's a 50-50 ratio Ankara part. If your Ankara head tie is very small, or if it's very big, you can still tie this turban. That's the advantage of this style. So yeah, but her own head tie is like a 36 inches long Ankara, so I just tucked that in, randomly tucked that in. Normally, I told you guys I don't like pleating my Ankara neatly because I feel it's a waste of time. The patterns will be distracting the pleats, so I just roughly pleat my Ankara. But for the raw silk, I make sure I get a perfect pleat for my raw silk. So I'm going to be bringing the longer hand of the raw silk, the 70 part of the raw silk I left behind before. I'm going to be bringing it up on top of the Ankara and pleating that down on top of it all through to the back, to the side rather. So guys, as you can see, I'm done making my pleat, but I'll still go back again. I told you guys I like a perfect pleat on a raw silk. I'm still going back to rearrange the pleats, so I'm going to be securing that down with an office pin. So after securing that, I'm going to be tucking in the raw silk, but for you, if you like, you can still just use an office pin to secure that, or you can create your own pattern around that area. Just be creative. I always tell you guys that you can be creative with your raw silk as far as the frontal part of your turban is always looking well, is always pleated and looking neat. And yeah, let me continue pleating. So as you can see, I'm just making the little ruffles around with the remaining parts of the Ankara. I'm just making the little ruffles. Sorry guys, you guys will pardon me today. I've recorded this voice over more than 10 times. I think it's more than 10 times, trying to get my words together. I don't really do a scripted video. I always do improv, where I just watch the video and talk. But guys, you guys should pardon me. I don't know what happened today, but you should just manage this video, sha. So as you can see, I just created a little bit of a sharp end on top of at the top of the turban. I don't know if this looks nice, but I was really tired that day, and even the way I'm recording this voiceover, I don't know, something is just wrong today. But sharp, I always think everything is just on the positive side of Can you see what I'm trying to say? I just don't know what to say, guys. So I'm done. I am pleating and making my ruffles. So can you see? I don't know what to say, guys. Let me just tell you bye bye for today. I'm already done making my ruffles and all that, and that's just it for today, guys. I'm done making the ruffles. Can you see? I don't know what to say, guys. Please pardon me. So I'm just going to be folding in the rough part of the turban. That's the inner part of the turban. If you like this turban, please send a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. Hope you pardon this my voiceover. It's not perfect at all, but I'm tired of recording, and yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.